read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, what are we going to do? Okay, it's letter B. We will identify the uppercase and lowercase letter B, its formation, its vocabulary words, its good thing, and short story. Let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce it. Start from the dot, come straight down, make semicircle, make another semicircle. It will make capital B. Start from the dot, come straight down, make semicircle. It will make small b. The letter name is B and the sound of B is B. B, ball. B, ball. B, balloon. B, beer. B, bag. Beautiful bag. Wow. What's the moral lesson of today? Be honest. Don't take credits the things you didn't do. Now, it's story time. Are you ready? Very good. Look over here. What is this? Benny the bear had a balloon, colorful balloon, and a ball. Benny the bear had a balloon and a ball. He jumped up and down to keep them in the air. What he has done, he jumped up and down to keep them in the air. The balloon slipped away. Benny laughed as it chased it and the ball. Very good. Allah Hafiz, thank you.